Hello guys, welcome to our new chapter, Power Sharing. We are comparatively, we can take in two countries, namely Sri Lanka and Belgium. In Sri Lanka, they are followed in majoritization. In Sri Lanka, they have 2 crores of population. More than 74% of people spoke Sinhala as a mother tongue. So, some Christians people and then Tamil people also lived in Sinhalas. In Tamil people has been divided into two types, the Indian Tamil people and then Sri Lankan Tamil people. The Indian Tamil people has been migrated from India and then the native Tamil people has been called Sri Lankan Tamil people. So they are working in Sri Lanka as indentured laborers. They are working their farms in the period of British. So in Sinhalas, some people followed Christians, others then in Tamil people they are following Hindus. So what kind of conflicts can we anticipate due to language divisions? In 1948, Sri Lankan government has been made up on a Sinhala, a nation state. In 1956, the Sinhala they are making Sinhala is a only act because they followed in majoritization. So majority means which language spoken people as made up in majority, they only govern the government. Okay, so the Sinhala people they only getting all the jobs and then all university colleges. So these types of privileges had only the Sinhala people. The Tamil Ilam people they wanted to recognize equally to the Sinhala people. They are protest against the Sri Lankan government because they also the citizens of Sri Lanka. The Tamil Ilam people. It includes so many of Tamil groups. LTTE is the separatist militant organization who fought to create an independent state named Tamil Ilam. And then we taken another country, namely Belgium. In the same language problem, but the Belgians has been made of a different thought. In Belgium, they are speaking French language and German language. More than 59% of people, Dutch people, 40% of people, they are following French. Only 1% of people, they speaking in German language. In language, in Brussels, more than 20% of people speaking Dutch language and then 20% of people they are following French language. The majority of the French language is in the capital of Brussels. So automatically the majority of the government politicians they are in French, but the conflicts between French and then the Dutch people. They are thinking equal representation in central government, equal representation in the capital city government. So that's why they are making a very good constitution to give the equal opportunity for all the people. The power shared between central and state. They are thinking the cultural, educational and the language associated concerns dealt by community government. So these types of 4 main information includes to create the new constitution. That's why the Belgium making 4 times the constitution recreated. Do you know guys? Why we have the power sharing between? We clear the conflicts, ensure stability and unity, enhance citizens' participation in the political level. So that's why the reasons of the power sharing we have prudential reason and then moral reason. In Belgium, the prudential reason based on careful calculation of the gains and losses. In between, the two linguistic group has made up a very good friendship and then a very good relationship between all the people. That's why the policy and accommodation they are making in Belgium. Like Belgium and Sri Lanka, India is also made by a very good power sharing methods because it's by order and in the power sharing has been accountable to the people. In this power sharing method has different levels like horizontal, vertical, political parties and pressure groups, social groups. Horizontal means it has three different organs like legislature, executive, judiciary. And then the horizontal distribution power after we call these types of power sharing Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, the legislative prime minister, the president, the legislative, the judiciary, the judiciary and the state government. So between these types of government has been made up and check up the every organs. And then the vertical distribution of power sharing. The vertical distribution of power sharing, it comes the higher authority of central government and then the state authority of state government and then the local governments like panchayats and then municipality governments. Okay, the different level of governments we have, but it is enough for the different social groups like minority groups, scheduled tribes, other scheduled tribes peoples, backward classes, scheduled caste people. So in these kinds of people lived in together in India because India is a very good socialist country. We giving to them to all equal opportunity. That's why we are making a very good written constitution in panchayat level, in municipal level, in taluk level. So all the people has a different needs. That's why they are depending the political parties. The political parties made up some coalition parties, trade unions, and then some movements. The coalition party means two or more than groups, parties join together and create a one government. It's called the coalition parties. Like this, the Congress and DMK made up on a very good coalition party government. Okay. And next one, the trade unions. In companies and then some traders making a union to fulfill their needs and then they are depending the government activities. So they enforcement of their needs to join together as a trade unions. Okay students, the trade unions has made up a very strong relationship between the traders. And next one, the movements. The movements made up the public opinion and then the public demand to enforce to the government made up by the non-government organization like NGOs. Okay students, if you having any doubt, please comment below and then subscribe my channel. Thank you.